I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Next, gently pat your skin with a clean towel, leaving it slightly damp. This helps the hyaluronic acid absorb more effectively. Always ensure your hands are clean before touching your face or dispensing the product. Now, dispense just 2 to 3 drops of the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum evenly across your entire face and neck. Remember to avoid rubbing the product in. Instead, allow it to absorb naturally into your skin. This gentle application ensures maximum benefit and avoids unnecessary pulling on your skin. To truly lock in the hydration, apply your favorite moisturizer immediately after the hyaluronic acid serum has absorbed. This creates a barrier that prevents moisture loss throughout the day or night. If you desire extra nourishment, you might also consider a facial oil. For your morning routine, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin. For optimal results, incorporate the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum into both your morning and evening skincare routines. Consistency is key to achieving that plump, hydrated look. Always store your product in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its efficacy. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.